Introduction. The program shown finds the factorial of two integers. The first segment finds factorial of m and the second segment finds factorial of n. Here you can notice that both the segments are used for the same purpose. It not only increases the length of a program but also occupies more memory space. Such programming technique can be avoided by writing a segment of statements outside the program. A function for the user can be regarded as a black box that is capable of returning an output. On providing values to a method, it processes the code available within it and returns the output as shown. Thus, a program module used simultaneously at different instances in a program to perform specific tasks is known as method. The advantages of using methods are: it reuses the segment of class codes as and when necessary by simply using the method name, that is ob.add 12,10, ob.add 145,890. The same method add is called twice to find the sum of the different numbers. Thus, the block of method add is reused. It divides a complex computational task into a collection of smaller methods so that problem solving becomes easier. That is, if there is any error in the program, solving becomes easier. That is, if there is an error in finding the sum, check in the add method. If there is an error in finding the difference, then check in the difference method. It hides low-level inner code details from its user. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is how to define a method. The general form of defining a method is as shown, that is access specifier, return type, method name, parameter list, and the body of the method. The different components of a method are header. For example, public void add int m int n. Next one, function prototype. A function prototype is the first line of a function definition. It includes access specifier, return type, method name, and the list of parameters. For example, public void add int m int n. Function signature. Function signature is concerned mainly with the numbers and the data types of the arguments. For example, add int m int n. Access specifier. Access specifiers deal with the scope of usage of a function. It can be either public or protected or private type. Return type. It is the data type used before the method name in the method header that indicates the type of value as outcome of a method is to be returned to its caller. Here it is void. There is no return data. Function name. It is concerned with the name of a method. For example, it is here add. Parameter list. It is a list of variables with their respective data types required by the function for internal computation passed during method call. For example, int m, int n. Method block. The method body contains a set of statements for related operations which are enclosed within a pair of curly braces. Return statement. The return statement which sends back the value from a method to the caller program is known as a return statement.